Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the library catalog to find a book. The ability to use the library catalog to find books is important. Many class research papers, especially in the arts, humanities, and social sciences, will require you to use books as reference materials. Books are important in arts, humanities, and social science research because they are a primary form of scholarship in these fields. In other words, most scholars in these fields often publish their research findings in books, not just articles. So, how do we find a book using the library catalog? Go to library.center.edu. You will see this search box. This is the library catalog. Type your search terms into the search box. For our sample search, we will start with a very broad term, liberal arts. If I enter liberal arts and click search, I get over 250,000 results. You can see that listed here. That is obviously too many results because my search term is too broad. Note that if you click in the search bar again on the results page, it gives you some suggestions to narrow your search. Specific strategies for how to choose more narrow search terms is a separate lesson. For right now, we will focus on how a search works and how to interpret the results. Let's look at our search results in more detail. On the left side of the page of search results, you see this column. Under Held by Library, the default choice is Center College Grace Doherty Library, right here. That means the results will be print or ebooks that you can get in our library. If you are not getting enough results, you can check the library's worldwide box here. This will show you all materials on your topic, even if Center doesn't own them. If we don't own them, we can request them from other libraries through Interlibrary Loan or ILL. Books requested through ILL must be shipped to us. This can take several weeks, so you must do your search and make your ILL requests early. Under Format here, you can choose Article if you want journal articles included in your results, or you can limit your results to book. Here. Or even specifically ebook. We unclick these other options. You can unclick there, and you can also unclick up here. Ebooks are obviously electronic or digitized books that the library owns that you can read on your computer. Print books are physical books that you will find on the shelves in the library. We'll talk about how you find them in a minute. First, let's look at two more ways you can limit your search. If you scroll down, you can see publication year. Under publication year, you can limit your choices to the last 5 years, last 10 years, or last 25 years, or to a custom range, and you can input the dates into these boxes. This is important in some classes. In sciences and social sciences, unless you are doing a historical study, you usually want sources to be no more than 5 years old because our scientific knowledge and sociological perspectives evolve quickly. For some humanities classes, this is less important. Significant critiques of a piece of art might have been written in this century or the last. Under language, if you are getting lots of results in a language you don't read, you can choose to see results in only the languages you do read. If we scroll up here, you can see advanced search. You might also want to search for a specific book by its title or any book by a certain author. In that case, it is best to use the advanced search. When you click on the advanced search link, you will see this search box. You can use the drop downs to search by specific things like keywords or title or author. If, for example, you are searching for Remaking College, Innovation and the Liberal Arts College by Rebecca Chomp, you can change the first drop down to title and enter Remaking College. Innovation, Liberal Arts. Or change the drop down to title phrase here and enter Remaking College without the whole title. If you know the author, you can change the second drop down to author and enter Rebecca Chomp or Chomp. Click search and your book will appear in the results page. Let's suppose that you have done a search and found some very useful results, but you have to go to class before you finish looking through them. You can save your search. To do so, log in by clicking the login button in the top right. Once you are signed in, you will notice your name in the upper right-hand corner. You will save your search results by clicking on Save at the bottom right of any result. Like so, click there, click there. It goes to My Items, where you can click and access those items at any time. Another thing you can do is save all of the results of your search by clicking on Save Search in the top left and above the limiters. Save Search is here in the left corner. View what you've saved by logging in again and looking at Save Searches or My Items on the top right under the Login button. Finally, let's look at how you use the results from your search. When looking for books, you might find either ebooks or print books. For ebooks, click View eBook or View Full Text. In this case, we have View eBook. You access the ebook. You can click on PDF full text or download the full book. For print books, you need to write down or take a picture of the call number and look in the book stacks for the book. Let's look at an example. Here we have The Power to Speak. You can see that it is available and in the book stacks at this location. So first, you might see the book is available like this example. This might also say checked out if the book is checked out. It will tell you the date it is due back in the library. The next part of the print book description indicates the book location. Most books will say they are in the Doherty Library book stacks. That means they are located in the main bookshelves on the second and third floors of the library. The next part of the book description is the call number. Books are arranged in the library first alphabetically by the letter on the call number. A through F are on the second floor. G through PS are on the 3rd floor, and PT through Z are in the basement. Once you find the correct shelving area based on the letters, books are arranged within that section numerically based on the number. Now that you know how to find a book, here's your assignment. Go to the library catalog on your computer, search for a print book on the liberal arts, like we did in this sample search. Go to the library, find the book using its call number, and take a selfie with the book. Turn your selfie to the assignment link in Moodle.